24 hours from now, we will be attacking your yacht with a barrage of machine guns. Any questions about phase 4? In addition to every single phase so far in this video combined, the fireworks, the catapults, the arrows, the 100 cannons.
You have 100 more cannonballs?
And rather than a bunch of bombs, this giant monstrosity, borderline nuclear missile, questionably even illegal, island flattening sea mine.
All of that on top of machine guns?
Yeah.
Today is phase 4 of the challenge. The general plan is to just put a ton of stuff
between my yacht and the up-and-coming attacks. We're gonna use the remaining crates to try to block any cracks the bullets might get through.
That container is just perfectly placed for this outside perch.